Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a student version of spaghetti bolognese, or known as spag bol. So what we have here in order to make it is some roast ham, roast beef, some spaghetti and Dolmios bolognese sauce and some red pepper sauce, which is by this brand Esti. So first we're going to have to cut up the roast ham and the roast beef and put it in the food processor. Alright then, so we've got the water boiling and I've added some salt into water so it raises the boiling temperature of the water, and I'm going to add the spaghetti into the pan which I broken up earlier ago. See here, much shorter. Then you keep stirring it and making sure none of the spaghetti gets fused together whilst it's cooking. We want it all nice and separate. Make sure you don't scald yourself with the steam. Right, so I've ensured that the spaghetti is all nice and separate, and I've turned down the heat to like medium-low. As you can see here, it's a bit more silent than previous. Here's the marking on the gas stove. Probably for electric it will be around 3 or 2. Also, could add some pepper oil. Right, so to make the sauce for the spag bol is that we're going to need roughly about half of the Dolmios Bolognese sauce. And for the pepper paste, I'm going to put 4 teaspoons in there. And then you give it a good mix. Okay, so with the Bolognese sauce, just gonna give it a bit of a light fry. There's a flame, it's not too strong. Here's a marking on the stove. This is just basically cooked meat that I've done in a food processor. Once you are happy with it, just pour it on top of the spaghetti. And here is the finished result.